Performance assessment is an assessment based on performance of the learners.
Exactly. So, performance assessment is an alternative assessment that requires the students to perform a task rather than just choosing an answer from a set of given choices. And the nature of performance assessment is the students are required to demonstrate their learning by dapat makaproduce sila og kaning products o kaning compose bitaw sila og response and perform an activity. And also, tungod kay ang performance assessment, what do you think na siya nga assessment type nag-fall under sa authentic assessment approach? So, authentic assessment, so di ba ang authentic assessment kay dapat siya gamitin siya og real world problems. So also dapat performance assessment guys dapat siya relevant to real world situations or scenarios. Kaya purpose of performance assessment is to measure students' skills, abilities, and pinapamagay sa ilang knowledge. And ang ilang po gina-measure siya through pag-score niya is through a specific bitang criteria. Gina-score siya kasi siya sa criteria. And the task is how it is performed. How it a task is being performed. So, mo siya ang bitang activities lugar. For example, ang task bitang maginapakayo sa inyo ang i-assign sa inyo project, ang responsibility na pina-ask sa inyo. So, ang example ani is ang instruction is write a persuasive essay about how studying is important. Ano siya ang task. Ngayon, the criteria is set of predetermined standards nga ga-measure siya sa effectivity o sa quality sa performance mo. So, I have here kanino guard. Kabaluwa ka, which one ang criteria ani? Kanino, yes, very good. Mauni sila ang criteria. Mauni siya ang ginabasihan sa unsa ang score ang inyo ang performance. Dayon, mauni sila ang rubrics like unsa ang ngano nakuha ninyo example like excellent yung score para sa confidence. Confident kayo ka. Ngano ba nakuha unsa may basihan yung confident ka? Nalindiri all numbers speak clearly with confidence and enthusiasm. So yes, that is the criteria task. Or ang ako ang mahalaga nga pinaka-sabotable for us na example sa task and criteria. Then, kanin nagkakapag facilitation. Facilitation ang task. Yes, ang task. Ang criteria, kita mo kung ipagkita kanina. Next.
So, there are two types of performance tests, the process-based and the product-based. So, the process-based, it focuses on how the task is performed, evaluating the methods, strategies, and behaviors during the activity. So, example, room story time. So, you observe a child, if a child active, listen actively, and also if they still sit and they can eye contact on you. So, for example, nako yung story about siya sa ang rabbit is kuha siya sa kanang kagubatan. So, ang rabbit nakadungog siya o hadlong na timog. So, ang rabbit nitago siya. they're running high. Yes, go ahead.
I'm scared.
Yes, exactly. So that was the process base. So the product base, it focuses on the final outcome, evaluating quality, accuracy, and creativity of the task. And for for a recognizing letter worksheets. So, so, encircling the letter A's. So, anyone from the class? Yes, Jamer. You circle the letter A's. A. Yes, this is very good. So that was the product list. Next.
Good afternoon. Kumusta mo? Okay na mo? Okay, so let's move forward to the principles of performance assessment. So, these principles is, dako ko siya tatawag sa mga teachers. They can make sure that the performance assessment is fair, then disclose